हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का एक बार फिर। और दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ ड्यूल स्क्रीन स्मार्टफोन्स के बारे में। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं।
What if we see the world around us the wrong way? What if we are just used to a one-sided world? Feelings, dreams, hearing, seeing, love, used to one-sided freedom, one-sided communication. But what if one side is not enough? YotaPhone. The phone with two fronts.
It doesn't waste battery power and legible under sunlight. All information you need is available to you just at a glance. And this screen can even act as a nice photo frame. Plus, electronic paper display doesn't hurt your eyes and it's perfect for reading. Over the last 2 years, we've developed 2 generations of YotaPhone, and now we are selling YotaPhone in more than 20 countries.
This is the Kyocera Echo from Sprint, the first dual touchscreen smartphone. Two's better than one. Ask Double Dream Hands Man, who just released his latest tour de force, Double Dream Feet. With 2 screens, watch it and email it. Text it and tweet it. Let's make this masterpiece just as famous, twice as fast. And together, we can give one-hit wonders a second life. The Echo smartphone, only from Sprint.